So I heard about this place through word of mouth, through a friend. It's called the Wisdom Tree, and people from all over the world come to this place to write in all these journals. They come here to write in their dreams, their aspirations, and just inspiration. So we're gonna go check it out. So let's go. I really enjoy hiking. I just think that it's such a beautiful scenery. Anytime you can ground yourself and just put yourself in nature is such a meditation. Getting your mind right is so important for me. Like, I wake up every day to meditate, and being in nature really just calms me down and reminds me to slow down and know that you're on the perfect path. Whatever you're going through at the given moment is exactly where you need to be. It's like that person that's in your life is an assignment for you. They're there to teach you a lesson, or you're there to teach them a lesson. And until you get that lesson, you'll move on. That's really how life goes. So as we're approaching the Wisdom Tree, I almost forget about what the destination is, and I enjoy the process. So today I'm gonna write in the Wisdom Tree journal and leave some words of wisdom and some inspiration. May 7th, 2018, Monday. Hello, stranger or friend. You made it here. Remember to be thankful for where you are. Only love is real. You are here with a purpose. Our job is to listen to the whispers and be the best version of ourselves. I hope this finds you well. Sending you lots of love. You're loved. At Charles Chen TV. Find me. Let's be friends. As I sit there at the Wisdom Tree, I just realize how beautiful life is. Just feeling and listening to nature, feeling the wind, the sun touch my skin. I'm just thinking about nothing. I'm just present. All my worries and anxiety just kind of dissipate. All I'm really focused on is the present moment, just breathing and listening. When was the last time you actually had a chance to sit still in nature and just listen? We're so bombarded with all these noise all the time, 24/7. Just turn off the phone and just relax and just listen, because all that you need is already within you.